Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the world of PCBs, specifically a service crucial for those bringing their electronics dreams to life, low-volume PCB assembly. Whether you're a hobbyist with a brilliant invention or a startup founder with a groundbreaking product, getting those PCBs assembled can be a hurdle. But fear not. Low-volume PCB assembly services are here to bridge the gap between design and production, even for small quantities. What is low-volume PCB assembly? Host, let's break it down. A PCB, or printed circuit board, is the heart of most electronic devices. It's where all the electronic components come together to perform their magic. But getting all those tiny parts soldered onto the board requires expertise and equipment. That's where PCB assembly comes in. This service takes your PCB design and handles the entire assembly process, placing and soldering all the components onto the board. Host, now, traditionally, PCB assembly caters to high-volume production runs. But what if you only need a handful of boards for your prototype or initial product launch? That's where low-volume PCB assembly steps up. These services specialize in handling smaller orders, making them perfect for those starting or working with limited quantities. Benefits of low-volume PCB assembly. Host, so, why choose low-volume PCB assembly? Here are some key benefits. Faster turnaround times. Compared to high-volume assembly, low-volume services can get your boards assembled quicker, crucial for getting your project off the ground. Reduced costs. You only pay for what you need. No minimum order requirements translate to lower upfront costs, ideal for bootstrapped projects. Flexibility. Low-volume assembly allows for design modifications and easier integration of new components during the prototyping phase. Expert assembly. Many low-volume assemblers have experienced technicians who ensure high-quality results, even for complex boards. Choosing a low-volume PCB assembly service. Host, now, with so many options available, how do you pick the right low-volume PCB assembly service? Here are some factors to consider. Capabilities. Does the service have the experience and equipment to handle your specific board complexity? Minimum order quantities. MOQs ensure the MOQ aligns with your project needs. Pricing. Compare quotes from different providers to find the best fit for your budget. Turnaround times. Consider how quickly you need the assembled boards. Customer support. Look for a service that offers clear communication and helpful support throughout the process. Pro tip. Don't hesitate to reach out to potential assembly houses with your questions. A good service provider will be happy to discuss your project and ensure. If you've got questions about low-volume PCB assembly or anything related to PCBs, leave a comment below and I'll do my best to help. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more electronics adventures.